What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a daily basis. So please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I will also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making $8.44 by simply referring a person to view an ad. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. This website pays you to watch simple ads. Let's actually go over to pay to click ads and have a look. And you can see these are the ads, and they're from anywhere from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. And the pay is not that much. So in this video, I'll be showing a method in automating this whole process and also maximizing your profits, right? So I'm actually going to show you two methods in making money on this website, which are gonna generate you a lot more money than just watching these videos. So let's go over to contest here. So on this page, you can see invite new direct referrals, collect points, and get money on your current balance. Invite a direct referral who verified his email. Therefore, you will get 1 point after that once they actually sign up and verify their email and become a member. You can see here the top earners here are making money. This person has 862 points. So I'm going to show you how to actually automate this whole process and have other people watch these videos and also sign up to this platform, and you generating the funds yourself, right? So without you actually watching the videos yourself. So stay tuned for that. And then the second person here has 770 points with $100 balance, right? And then you can see the last person here has 173 points with $25 current balance. Now let's actually go over to the benefits calculator and calculate how much we could potentially earn by referring our new members. The benefits calculator, you can actually calculate how much you could potentially earn based on your account type. So there are 4 types of accounts here. So the standard one would be the one that you would start with when you sign up, and then you can actually upgrade to economy light or economy or privilege, right? So these accounts pay different for each points that you would earn. So the privilege pays the most points, therefore you would maximize your earnings by having the privilege, and you can buy an upgrade from the standard to, let's say, privilege from here. But let's just say you start with the standard and you refer 40 people, which from those 40 people, each of them click 50 videos per day, right? So daily, and you could potentially be making $337.50, guys. So let's actually grab a calculator. So 337.5, right, divided by 40 referrals. So from each person that you would refer, you could potentially be making $8.44, guys. So it's an amazing amount to earn by just referring people and sharing your links, right? Rather than you watching those videos at the beginning that don't pay much, this is a better option to make money on this site. Over to referral tools. And then from here, you would see all your resources, right, to actually advertise this platform to new members to sign up, and you generating points and in return making money with those points. So this is my actual referral link, and I can actually easily copy this link and shorten it if I want. So once we copy this link here, we can actually go over and advertise this link for free, which I'm going to share in a second here. And you can see there are other resources which you can use from this page, and it's pretty straightforward. So to advertise this link here, my best suggestion is go over to Facebook and find pages that would let you advertise your referral links, any other direct sales, product pages and groups, right? So whatever you want, literally, right? So this is an amazing page, almost 10,000 members. Then once you join this page, you can go over and just make a little post and share your link while providing value. So you just tell people what the website is and how they could be making money themselves. So you can see tons of people here sharing their business ideas and links here. So there's no any restrictions on this type of pages, and you can share as many links as you would like and as many times as you want, right? As long as you provide some sort of value and interact within the group, then I don't think anyone would have an issue with you sharing your links, right? So this would be an amazing way to actually generate points and actually have people watch those videos themselves, and you generating cash passively, right? To make money on this website is to actually recommend this platform to other businesses who would then in return advertise on this website, and you would earn up to 30% commission, right? So share the links as many times as you want. There is no limit. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, any other platforms that you would like, and your link would be valid for up to 30 days, right? So it's an amazing opportunity to earn up to 30% from however much that they spend on ads, right? So let's actually look further here. So check how easy it is to get money with Onju. So recommend Onju advertisement using affiliate links. With every sale affecting from your recommendation, you earn 30%, guys. So for example, let's say a business comes on this website from your referral, then once they sign up and start advertisement campaign and they spend up to $100 on this website, Onju would pay you 30% of that 100, pay you $30 from the ad spend, right? So it's an amazing opportunity, and they do give you tools to advertise this website. And there's a video here. I'm just gonna play this quick video.
Advertising at Times Square, New York is possible to only a few. The TV and internet advertising alike is also out of everyone's reach. Ad blockers and high costs per advertisement often limit the effectiveness of your advertising campaign. Do you want your commercial product to become effective, easy to handle, and affordable? Do you want to boost your website's visiting rate? Not a problem. Visit Ojo.
There you go, guys. So I can actually use this video here. The link to this video and also my affiliate link is this one here, percent commission. And there are tons of other videos that you can actually use, right? So this one can also be used. You can just copy the link here. I'm actually going to show you in a second where you can find businesses that are willing to advertise their business for affordable price. So let's go over to again. So if you go over to Facebook and find pages that have other business owners that are willing to advertise their businesses, then you can actually share your link. Once you actually get accepted and provide value in these pages, they are asking people to add their friends, to make these pages great for business to promote their products. So you can see they've got 83,000 members. It's a private group, so you just have to request to be added on, and you can actually share, and you can actually share your link and basically tell businesses you wouldn't want to spam the pages. You would just give quick value, and found this amazing website which would allow them to advertise their site or product or whatever they're selling for a very low amount affiliate link. And once they come over to the website and sign up and start advertising, then you can be making up to 30% from whatever they spend, right? So it's an amazing opportunity to actually make money on this website instead of watching those videos at the beginning there. Like I said, take action, and I'm not saying this would make you tons of money, but this would make you enough, should reinvest your money to other business opportunities. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to put in work and take action on it. So be patient with it. Gonna end this video here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys. Peace.